In this short video, I will show you how to find downloaded media files on Telegram app on iPhone. To find out all of your downloaded medias in your Telegram app, just go to your Telegram and tap on settings. And here scroll down and tap on data and storage. And here tap on storage usage. Here scroll down all the way to the bottom and here select media, and here you will find all of your downloaded medias including photos and videos. And now I will show you how to save anything from a chat and where you will get them in your iPhone. So I'm going to opening a chat here, and here's a video. As you can see, let's save this video. So I've saved this video, and now to find all of your downloaded Telegram photos and videos on your iPhone, open Photos app, and in your Photos app, here you will find your Telegram downloaded photos and videos. So all you have to need to find downloaded media from Telegram, just go to your iPhone Photos app, and there you'll find all of your downloaded medias. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.